Hello, welcome back to my channel Crafts and Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this super easy, super tasty tomato soup in the oven. Take a baking tray or iron pan and add 3 cups of mixed tomatoes. One variety of the tomato is sweet. Add 1 onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper. Mix everything well. Alternatively, you can go in with your clean hands and mix it nicely. After giving this a good toss, bake this for about 50 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After baking, let this cool for a little while and then add everything into a mixer jar. Add 1 3/4 cup of vegetable stock. Now grind this into a super smooth puree. And the tomato soup is ready. Adding cream is optional. You can pair the soup with croutons or your favorite sandwich or these super tasty baked cheese dippers. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button.